Hello friends, this is Claudia from the McAllen Public Library, reference librarian, and today I'm going to demonstrate how to use the Libby app. That is the app that we use to read ebooks. So the first thing you will do is you will go look on your computer for Internet Explorer or Chrome or Safari on an Apple product. You'll double click the Internet web browser and you'll type out McAllen library.net. That is our library website. Once you go to our main website, you will look for where you can find the eBranch. And in this case, on this, you'll go to Books and More, eBranch, click on eBranch, and then click on Overdrive, Libby by Overdrive. Once you are in there, you'll have to put in your credentials and sign in. Remember to capitalize the P and know your 4-digit PIN. If you prefer to read on an electronic device, such as a tablet, an iPad, or any cell phone, you will actually have to download the Libby app from your app store. So go look for your app store and click on that. And once you do that, you will search for Libby, L-I-B-B-Y, and you will click on Libby by Overdrive. Once you download your app, this is the next screen that will appear. Do you have a library card? You will put yes, and then it'll ask you to search for your library. So we're going to click on I'll search for a library. And then right here, I always put the zip code of our library, 78504, but you could put McAllen, Texas, and it gives us our McAllen library. And then you're going to enter your account details. And this is where you'll use your library card. You'll have to capitalize the P and your number. And once you do that, you'll click the next button. This is where you'll enter your 4-digit PIN. Once you do that, then you're in Libby. So now that you're in Libby, you're able to do various things. You can either search by author, in this case, I'm putting John Grisham. And it's showing all available titles that our library has in the Libby app. Now, if you notice, the first title of John Grisham's books says waitlisted. That means somebody else has it checked out right now. But the one next to it also says waitlisting, and the one after that says available. Anything that says available, you can check out right now through your device. You would click the borrow button and you would borrow it. You are also able to search by subjects and choose what format you would like to read, whether it's ebooks or audiobooks. In this case, I'm going to do all formats. And you can scroll down and see what we have here. And I'm going to go to cooking and food. As you notice, these books that are available, you're able to borrow immediately. Anything that says waitlist, you can place a hold on that, and when it becomes available, the Libby app will notify you that you're the next person in line to read. And as always, if you have any questions, you're more than welcome to call us at our library number, 681-3000. Have a great day.